Hello everyone. So I want to start off this video by saying that this chemistry experiment we've been doing, this mystery mixture, is an in-person activity and you can't make it up online in any way. So make sure if you do miss some time for whatever reason, you come and talk to your teacher beginning next Tuesday, the 21st of September. We're going to start holding an afternoon session on Tuesdays where you can come make up your laboratories in Mr. Baker's class with Miss Mendez and I. So if you have missed them, let us know and set up a time when you can come in. So to recap on where we've been going with this mystery mixture, our first entry into a notebook was to observe the unknown mixture itself. In the first part, we just looked at the two substances mixed together, the unknown mixture. And in the second part, we added water and we watched a chemical reaction occur. Now, you should have put observations in this area for the first part and observations in the second area. Now, the second part of this, which is what we just did earlier this week, is we looked at 9 known substances, meaning we know what they are. We know what their chemical name is. We know what their common name is and what their chemical formula even is. And so each vial with a chemical substance in it, we pulled one at a time and we wrote the chemical name, chemical formula, and common name. But the most important part was to make observations. What do we observe about this substance? Is it rocky? Is it crystally? Is it grainy? Is it clear, opaque, white? Are they large particles, small particles? Are they flaky? All those words can be used to make our observations. And lastly, we looked up what each of these substances were used for. So at the end of it, we had 2 sheets, A and B, and you should have made observations for all 9. And that, of course, leads us into the next activity, where of those 9 substances, we need to figure out which one our mystery mixture is made up of. So your challenge is to find out which 2 substances are in the mystery mixture. The procedure you will use in class is to use the little green mini spoons inside each vial to do 1 or 2 mini spoons of substance into a well. And so what we're doing is we're adding 2 different substances into a well, and then we're going to add water, 10 drops of water, and observe and record our results. Now, a well, when we say a well, we're talking about a well plate. This is a picture of a well plate. Ours will be plastic. They'll look more like this. However, these little indents are kind of like a bowl. They're like mini bowls all on one plate. And so we can put powder in this area with another powder, our 2 substances, and then we can put water in here and observe whether a chemical reaction occurs or not. From there, every time we see one, we're going to record our results. And of course, if you look here, the first one we're going to start with is viewing the mystery mixture plus more of the mystery mixture. So we can remind ourselves what that chemical reaction looks like. So you will do 11 different combinations. So make sure you're choosing which ones you think are actually the mystery mixture. And of course, observe and record. What do we see? Do you see bubbles happening? Do you not see any happening? Is there anything else going on that you observe? Record that all so we can compare it to the mystery mixture and be one step closer to figuring it out.